All right, everybody, it's another day, and we left the braids in, so hopefully, let's see if we have any sort of wave pattern. There's a little bit of nothing. Some kind of Boy George wave. So we may need to curl the hair a little bit and put it up. See how much this oily hair fries and sizzles. If you see steam coming off this hair, don't worry. Don't call 911. Just my natural oils. I like when I'm in the salon, people will bring their kids and I'm doing their hair and I put the flat iron or the hot iron in there and the kids are like, what the fuck? Are you burning my mom's hair? Yes, I'm burning down the house. Put that oil on, like that, It's a 10. Put some It's a 10 in there and get that flat iron going. Smoke out the whole salon. That's right. I feel like maybe we've had a little bit of humidity this week, and maybe that's why my hair is greasy and oily, because usually like when I'm on the East Coast, my hair gets super oily and moisture in it. My hair be like, what the fuck? Because I'm in the desert, so my hair is dry and I'm like a reptile, alligator, snake / mongoose. I don't know. Maybe that's why in the Sahara Desert them girls be covering up their hair because they're like, ooh, you want to see the mess underneath there? Dried up hair. Got my Barbie shirt on today. Positive vibes only, Barbie. I don't know. She's wearing sunglasses and looks like kind of bitchy. Shouldn't she be like at the beach or something? Not be behind sunglasses with her snooty tooty attitude. Positive vibes only. You better check yourself, Barbie. You see a fun color outfit with her hand in the air, having a party, trying to have some positive vibes. I'm always trying to have some positive vibes. Doesn't always happen, especially when I am at home with my 4 children. It's very difficult for me to stay positive. I don't know about you guys, but these children drive me crazy. They're mad now because I can not listen to anything. I just kind of daydream all day. So when I'm hearing mom, 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 Papa, I don't hear you. What? Doing my own thing. It's hard out there. So we're just gonna curl up this hair. Got a couple more over here. We'll brush out this grease shine. See what it looks like. The slick back look might be good today. That front slick. That hairstyle is coming back full force. The 80s, the 80s. Bringing it back, bringing it back. What was the video back in the day with the girls? This is the style that's in right now. We're pulling it back. Do not want to burn down my house. You don't want to see the fire department coming over here. So greasy curls is not where it's at. Let's throw it up. We'll do a half up since we curled it. Perfectly fine. Just move your hair half up like this. I like to pull the front out. And that helps another day. So you have shiny curls. Super shine, super shine. You could bring down little mystery pieces that you like to bring, that I like to bring down. I don't know if you like to, but I'll do it. Well, some girls are really into wearing the little top bun. You know, I like fat ones, so if I did do it, it would be fat and big. But since I like big hair, I'll just wear my I Dream of Jeannie. And I don't think I've wore this updo style. My little antennas, curled, greasy, fabulous, beautiful. Another style down with good vibes. Positive vibes all day long, okay? I hope you guys are feeling the positive vibes. I hope you're getting your hair done. You're feeling good about yourself. I feel good about myself. It's been a great year. It's gonna be a fabulous year for everybody. I know it. Let's all hang in there together, support each other. Thank you for watching the video. Press the like, subscribe, share. Thank you for all those that are sharing the video. Comment down below if there's something you want to see me do for a hairstyle or anything you like or you want to see for yourself. I will definitely try. I will give it a try. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day.